Hello everyone, I'm Kunal from TradeFair TV and I welcome you all to the show. Now I am here at the India Expo Shop 2025 at the Yashobhoomi Convention Center. With me here is Amit Sir, Director of Access Designers. Sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Sir, please tell us about your company, what it does, the vision, and how it is ready for the future.
So I tell you, Access is a 28-year-old company. We started this company in 1997, and the company is started by me and Alok. We both are architects, right? So the basic idea of starting this company is to organize this industry,
Right.
like to give the brands a perfect way to put themselves in the exhibitions. And earlier when we started, then the exhibition standards in India was very poor, I would say, very
Okay.
poor, I would say. So the idea was this thing to take it to a different level. When you go to abroad to go to international shows and things
Right.
like this, then you see there are like a lot of technologies there, a lot of different things were there. So we thought of bringing everything to our country as well, right? So basically, Access is a company which is involved in this exhibition industry from past 28 years, and our basic forte is to serve the customer who is coming from international
Right.
market to India, or the Indian going to abroad, or India working in Indian shows.
Okay.
So that's basically.
Okay. And sir, like there are a lot of companies in India. So what sets you apart from those?
So I would say that this company is owned by architects, and there are very few companies. I would say we are one of the few companies which is owned by architects, where we are taking care of all, other than aesthetics, we are taking care of all structures, materials, specifications, and moreover we are working not only a product design, we are working on experiential design.
Right.
So we are doing human-centered design, wherein people get a different interaction and different exposure, different communication with the
Right.
space. So basically, we are working on the experience.
Okay. And sir, like the India's economy is on the boom, and the exhibition sector is going to grow more. So what are the trends that you are seeing in this industry?
So I would say that India is a booming industry, and which we can see everywhere, because as I told you that we are working in international markets, so we can see well past in 28 years the thought behind like our impression.
Right.
So earlier when we were going to abroad, then we also were facing this kind of things, like we were seeing in a very different way, very
Right.
this thing like not
Backward
organized,
type.
backward. I would say that we're not organized, and people were not taking us very seriously. But now the economy is booming, and the technology is taking technology is evolving here as
Right.
well, right? And this kind of shows are coming up where we can meet to the leaders of the industry. We can create a fraternity here. So
Right.
that is changing the whole scenario, and yeah,
Okay.
a lot of machineries and customizations are coming, which we are implementing in our shows as well.
Right. And sir, since you have been so long in the industry, so what are the things that you see that this has changed as compared to 10 years back now?
So, like I would say, the first thing is technology,
Right.
and that technology not only what you see here.
Right.
If we talk about the back of the stage, then the working style of the labor, the
Okay.
technology, the machineries. So where the precision is like now coming into this industry. So that's a very great development. And the thing is that now the things are global, right? So we can source any technology
Right.
from anywhere, and people are aware about this advertisement thing. So yeah,
Okay.
that's changing a lot.
And sir, now we are going through this tariff game, and do you think, sir, it is affecting our companies of the exhibition industry?
In the sense, come back again, please.
Like the tariffs game is on. The US has imposed tariffs on India
Yeah.
and the European Union also. So do you think is it affecting the exhibition industry?
100% it will affect, because
Okay.
our industry is totally based on the industries which is into exports, and which is serving into different industries. So if the competition, or if the problems are coming to the industries, then
Right.
certainly the marketing budgets would lower down,
Lower down.
and that will directly impact on our business as well.
Okay. And sir, any message for the government, like what they should do more to promote this industry?
So I would say that there has to be, first of all, there has to be this kind of organization जैसे अभी ये India Expo Shop है, which is trying to bring this industry together. Yeah, so अभी जो missing है हमारी industry में, that is the only fraternity and togetherness,
Right.
which is missing. So I think we should have more organizations like this, and the exhibition centers, like now they are coming up with the new exhibition centers which are in comparison, which can stand in comparison to the international exhibition.
Okay.
Like Pragati Maidan has converted into new center. Then this Yashobhumi came up. Then the India Expo Center came up. So
Right.
I think we should have more nicer and better fairgrounds, more facilitated fairgrounds. जहाँ पर कि हम जैसे अभी इंडिया में एक छोटी सी चीज़ बताऊँ कि जैसे यूरोपियन fairgrounds में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमको सस्पेंशन के ऊपर से ले सकते हैं.
हाँ.
We can hang the complete booth on from
अच्छा.
ceiling.
Okay.
Right, so that kind of technologies are there. So I think our fairground should be so infrastructurally so strong that we can do all the modern things which is being done in the international market.
Okay. And so, is this your first time in this exhibition?
Yeah, this is our first.
So, how was your experience, sir?
No, it was good. It was good. We are meeting with the like-minded people. We are
Okay.
here to meet with industry pioneers as well. Like जैसे आप यहाँ पे मिलते हो लोगों से तो आपको समझ में आता है कि what kind of things people are following, what kind of trends are there,
Right.
what kind of market is there. So you feel like
Okay.
I would say that you feel that belongingness.
Achha. Okay, all right. And sir, any message for the India Expo Shop organizers? What are the things that they can improve to make this event even more better next year?
I think they should do the marketing well, and they should invite the more entrepreneur, more industrialist here to give them exposure that what kind of companies are existing here. Because meeting with same fraternity people, that has got a saturation. So like आप कब तक आप अपने आपस में मिलते
Right,
रहोगे? Because
right.
we are like a family.
Yes.
So we can meet anywhere here or anywhere else.
Anywhere else.
So I would say that they should call more the industry people, more the entrepreneurs, more of the procurement teams from different agencies, so that they get the exposure that what they can work with, whom they can work with. So all these things should be there.
And sir, last question of the day. Any message for us or to our readers?
Yeah, I would say that you guys are doing great, and you are providing all the analytics of the agent, all the analytics of this MICE business. So I think this is a great job. You are giving an awareness to readers.
Okay. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, sir, for answering our questions.
You're welcome. You're welcome always.